Current vehicle I've been working on is a 1955 Swallow Doretti, a very unique, uncommon car. There's only 231 made from 1954 to 1955. There's a lot of pieces and parts and components that are definitely not available anymore. Issue I've been dealing with recently, the latches and catches for the door mechanism, those pieces are not available either. So I got in touch with the customer. I found some that could be utilized for the vehicle. The customer gave his approval. I installed 1966 Jaguar E-type latches and catches in the doors. And here is the latch for a Jaguar E-type. So here's the plate I spoke about. I cut that out, sunk this in, made this contour inside of here so the latch could sit inside the plate. Then you cut the door out, sink the plate in, weld it all the way around. When you close the door, you have to figure out where your striker lines up or your door catch lines up. So after I established that and got the door to close properly, the door would not open yet because there was no connection between the latch and the door plunger. So I removed the door handles, tapped out the door plunger, put a piece of a threaded bolt in there and put a rubber cap on the end of it so everything would work smoothly in the assembly. So now at this point you can open the door from the outside. If we had the parts, it would be nice. This is the nicest workaround that I could think of, and I believe the customer would be happy.